constant speed tester. Wire connection, 3 fire line, neutral line, grounding line. Water connection, blower to reduce the temperature. Assemble the tested sample here. 1 piece, 2 piece. Adjust the loading all of this. Totally is 1,250 Newton. Open this system and select initial wiring and then setting with 100 temperature. Totally is 7 processes. 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, and then recover. Just press select 300 degree. And here is rounding. Each process 5,000 round. Here is a monitor. There is a sensor to monitor the revolution, 5,000 pieces. This is a temperature sensor. When you're using it, put it like this. When you don't use it, and put it like this. Here is a data input. Here is a sample A, sample B. 7 process must be recorded. After finish the first, choose 5 points for each sample to measuring the thickness for each process. This process finish, okay, and next process. And then you can print the report. Print the report like from here. After you input all of this data and the report will be come.